Here is how you can access all your important documents in all your devices. Not minding if you're using an Android, not minding if you're using an iPhone, not minding if you're using a Windows laptop, not even minding if you're using a MacBook Pro. It takes just a simple single step to get all of this done without stress. The first thing you need to note is that since those documents are important as you take it to be, you must have them all uploaded on your drive, your cloud drive, where you can access it with whatever devices that your Gmail account is logged into. The next thing you do after backing up and uploading those files or those documents on your cloud or your Google Drive is that you go to every of your devices or whatever devices you're using or you have at your disposal at the moment and download the Google Drive. You sign in with the Google Mail you used to open the drive, and then all of the documents, all of the files, all of your properties that is uploaded or backed up in your Google Drive will appear automatically, and this is very easy. The world is already digital, and who goes around with hard copies again? So you can access everything you have on the cloud. I know you found this video useful. Do follow us for more tips like this and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. You're welcome.